know I love the weather. Limelight hit 'em and you know I handle pressure. I do what I want, so I'm never saying never. I get what I want, so they call me go-getter. Yeah, I know he does it good, but you know I do it better. So misunderstood, if she want it, then I let her. Everybody knows if I want her, then I get her. She gave me that look, yeah, she knows she thinks I'm clever. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it, so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah.
Anyway, so basically the whole painting came out immaculate, came out great. Right now I'm going to get a coffee and I'm going to get the car washed because I noticed with that spray paint, the glitter from the bronze spray paint was going everywhere. It went all over the car. Now it just looks like dust, so it'll come right off. It didn't actually stick to the car. It's no big deal. The Cummins red for the calipers, the only issue I had with that was it took forever to dry. Hi, can I get a large iced coffee with a caramel shot?
Okay.
And a bacon and sausage farmer's wrap.
Sausage.
Bacon and sausage.
Okay. That's it?
Yes, that's it.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. And there they go. Gas. Oh, that's actually really good. They made it really good today. I don't see any bacon though. I love farmer's wraps. So good.
Top sipping shots of Patron. I will never stop till the road is my home. I'm about to pop, everybody's gonna know. When the beat drops, they be yelling B-ho. Girls in crop tops, drop tops at the shows. Mini skirts rock, got us all like whoa. All the pretty ladies lined up front row. Driving me crazy, I just wanna take them home. Got it on lock, yeah, you can call me pro. Parties on the blocks, make sure the girls know. Now it's getting hot up in here, oh no. Think Nelly had it right, better take off all your clothes. Future's looking bright, now I'm finally in the zone. 3 years of my life, I committed to the growth. Soldier boy, tell them #1 ringtone. I'm the reason people texting, cause they're blowing up your phone. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it, so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got the car all washed up, cleaned up, and I'm gonna show you guys it now in a second. I'm looking at it, it looks spectacular. I love the color. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sort of tutorial. I know it wasn't the greatest, but I'm trying to get used to this whole recording while doing stuff. It's not my favorite part. I like to do stuff, but then trying to record it and do it at the same time, something I'm still like learning with, so bear with me. But this is how the car turned out. Let's get a bit better lighting there. That bronze, it looks a lot brighter in person. I'll move over here. Yeah, it just looks, it looks like a proper copper or proper bronze. And that red caliper paint or red Cummins paint just screams in your face. This color combination here looks spectacular. Like, overall, I mean, you got to remember, if you're doing this, you got to keep in mind it's cheap. You're not going to get a perfect result, but all you really need to do, add a couple layers. Now, this paint for the rims, if you're going to use that paint, keep in mind, I didn't know this, it has a bit of a sparkle to it. The glitter will go everywhere. I got it all over my car, so I need to clay bar the car now, which is no big deal. I have to clean it anyways. So just keep in mind of that. The glitter just happens to literally go everywhere. Like, I didn't really know about that. I couldn't have known about that. So in total, I think I spent, including the Cummins paint, maybe, well, each rim takes about 1 can. Now you can get away depending on how big your rim size is. These are 19s. I done the inside barrel too, only because whoever done my wheel balancing, I forgot to do it on this one, but they weren't taking away the rubber, so I just sanded that off for most of them. I forgot to do it on this one, but I took the rest of it off, so I decided to paint the barrel as well. But you're looking at about 1 can per rim, so that's 4 cans. That's $100 there. The Cummins red was $50, and other than that, like, you only need a spray bottle. What I showed you earlier, I believe it was maybe $200 what you will have to spend to do this. And for $200, we'll even say $250, the difference, like, it's spectacular. Well worth the money. The only thing I have to see now is how long it's going to stay on the rims for. I'm not worried about Cummins paint. They put it on Cummins engines, so the Cummins paint should stick there for a while. It feels fine. Like, I don't know, it don't have like a soft feel to it. Like, it feels like it's solid. And I put a nice bit of coating on the calipers, and even for the calipers, like, I put so much paint on it to the point that I'm not even worried about it chipping or anything like that, because if it chips, there's still paint going to be underneath it. So in reality, even if you bought the Cummins paint, you can go to your friends, say, hey, for $50 I'll paint your calipers. You do that for 4 people, you can pay for your own setup, right? So if you want to do it that way, you're very well able to buy 1 can of Cummins paint, do 4 of your friends' calipers, and then you pay for your rims too, right? So just to give you an idea, it's not overly difficult, and you know, just giving you guys other options. I did paint my center caps black only because I wanted to. I don't know if you can see it there. It's still, yeah, right there. You still can see the branding of it. I was gonna try to wipe that off, and then so you could see like the silver in behind it. That just started annoying me, and I said scratch that idea. And it was the same thing with the calipers. So I was trying to get the Audi emblem on the calipers. Now with the Cummins paint, it's really thick, and I think it's oil based. I could be wrong on that. I'm not 100% sure, but I tried to put it on here and it just would not work. That it ruined my stylist. It just didn't work. So I just said scratch that idea. But I mean, it's little features that, I mean, I tried to do. It don't matter. It's not the end of the world. So that's my couple little suggestions for that. Other than that, I mean, it's this paint for the rims. It's really easy to use, won't run. I done like a heavy coat and everything, like it will not run. The Cummins paint is hard to make run. It will run, but I mean, like I put some heavy coats on it, it barely ran. And other than that, like it's overall, for, as I said, $200, you guys can't complain about that. Like, and before anyone says, oh, you should have powder coated, I am not powder coating these rims, because for $800, $900 to $1,000 for powder coating, I would put that towards a new set of rims. So I'm not bothering with that. So for the sake of $200, total different car. And like even for the calipers, for $50, even if you guys just wanted to paint your calipers, that $50, that Cummins paint does wonders. So I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this, a little tutorial, I guess. It wasn't much of a tutorial, I'm sorry about that, but whatever. Give you guys a good idea how much it would cost, and if you take any little notes that I just gave you from this video, and you can easily very well copy this, just be a little careful. One thing I would have done differently, I probably would have primered this, because that would have cleared this up a little bit more. If you put a layer of primer over it and then painted it, the paint I had was paint and primer, that would have cleared most of that. But you're looking at about $200, $250 to do that, which completely changed this car, man. Like, I just can't get over how good it looks. For some reason, this angle, it doesn't look so, like, it looks extremely dark, but like, it's hard to say. Like, it up here, you can see how clean it looks. But as I said, well worth the money. If you want to, like, you will. I think I spent 6, maybe 7 hours at it, but that's only because I was trying to record while doing it. So if you're doing it just to do it, you might be looking at an hour a rim and half hour each caliper. Like, it's not nothing. You will spend a couple hours at it, but as I said, once again, this is the kind of result you're looking at with spray paint. And the other thing is, I mentioned before, you're spray painting. You're not doing no professional job here. You're going to have your little issues with it, and it's not going to be perfect, but you got to remember, once again, this spray paint. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I think this looks sweet. I'm very happy with this, and hopefully we can get some cooler content with the car now. And that's it, boys.
I be in my zone, blink to the sky, ET go home. Mama said don't love no hoe, thank the hoe for the offer, wait, point after point.